everyone, and welcome to the next video of polynomials. In today's video, we will learn how to find the factors of a polynomial, or how to check whether two polynomials are each other's factors, and we will learn this using a theorem which is known as division algorithm. You've already done this theorem, children, but let me repeat it for you. The theorem says if you divide two polynomials px and gx, then you get quotient that is represented by qx and a remainder that is represented by rx, such that how will you get the result? Such that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If you remember the real numbers video, we also learned Euclid's division lemma using the same theorem, right? So here we say that if we get in the division, while doing the long division, if we get the remainder as 0, then we say gx is the factor of px, okay? Otherwise it is not a factor. You have to do the long division method till the time you get the degree of remainder less than the degree of the divisor. You have to remember, right, children? So this is known as divisor, this is dividend, this is quotient, and this is remainder. Okay, now how to do the long division? The first and the foremost important step is I want you to arrange the dividend and the divisor in the descending order of their degrees. Descending order means सबसे पहली बड़ी, suppose करिए मैंने आपको px दे दिया x cube minus x plus 2x plus 1, sorry 2x square plus 1. So you have to arrange it in the standard form, that is x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1 in the decreasing order of the degree. So this term has degree 3, this is degree 2, this is degree 1, and this has 0 degree. Similarly, you will arrange gx also in the same way. Then step 2 says that the first term of the quotient, suppose let me take gx as a simple example I am taking, so x plus 2, the first term should get cancelled by this term. So how will it get cancelled? That means I have to find the quotient in such a way, suppose this is x plus 2, so this is x cube, so I have to find quotient in such a way that when I divide x cube and x, the first term of the dividend and this, I should get the what term I should multiply. So obviously x के साथ मुझे x square multiply करना है ताकि मेरे पास x cube आए, and obviously you have to write all the other terms as well. So and x square will also get multiplied by 2x. So this is minus, you know the rule of division, subtraction होता है, and then you will cancel, and then you will get minus x plus 1. The new now again, how will we do it? Now the divisor, check here, check the degree. Here the degree is 1, here the degree is 1. So degree is not, the remainder degree is not less than the divisor. So again you will divide. Now divide. Now how? Again x divided by x is 1, so we have minus 1. Why? Because I want minus x, so it is minus x plus 2. Now again sign changes, this is plus, this gets cancelled, this is minus, so this is minus 2 and this becomes plus 2. So what is our remainder? The remainder is come out to be 3. Why the remainder is 3 now? Because the degree of 3 is 0, children. X to the power 3 can be written as x to the power 0, and the degree of this is 1. So now you can see the degree of remainder is less than that of the divisor. So till that time you have to keep on repeating the step 2, okay, till the time you get the remainder degree lesser. Let's move further and use this in the exercise. Exercise 2.3, the division. Okay, so I'll do any one of the questions. Let's start with the second part. Find the quotient and the remainder. That is what the question says. So it is x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and the divisor is x square. Write down in the standard form children, minus x plus 1. अब x4 चाहिए तो x square से किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि x4 आएगा x square से. So x4 x square into this is minus x square, this is x square into x square into x is minus x cube. Now there is no term of x cube, so you write x cube separately, okay, and then again x square into x is plus x square. Now you know sign, all the signs will get changed, so this gets cancelled. Now when you are copying the new this thing, then you have to, this will become again in the decreasing power, you always have to remember. So x cube will come first and then we will do the solving here. Minus 4x square plus 4x plus 5. Now again division, x cube कैसे आएगा, x square को किससे multiply करेंगे, x के साथ. So this is x cube, right, this is minus x square, this is plus x. Again subtraction, minus plus minus, this gets cancelled, this will give you minus 3x square, this will again give you what, plus 3x. Sign you have to remember, बड़े का sign आता है while doing the calculations, and this is plus 5. Now again minus 3, so minus 3x square, minus minus plus 3x, and this is minus to plus minus 3. So again sign change and check. Now you know what is the remainder, children. You can very well see, right children, the remainder is 8. Okay, so remainder has come out to be 8, and quotient has come out to be x square plus x minus 3. Now if you want to see, check whether these are the these are the factors, you can also in the next question you can also check whether the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. Since the remainder is not 0, so we can also say that Rx is not equal to 0, therefore Gx is not the factor of Px. Okay, this is how I want you to do this question. Long division method you will carry out, you just have to remember two things. First, arrange your, like here also the terms are not arranged. First you will arrange it in the decreasing power and then you will start with the division. And if a term is missing, I have purposely took this question. See, this term was missing, so you have to remember कि ये किसी भी term के नीचे नहीं लिखनी, ये अलग से लिखनी है. And जब आप carry out करोगे तो again in decreasing power of x होना चाहिए. The new dividend again should be in the decreasing power. Okay, until what time you have to divide, that I have already told you, till the time you get your remainder whose degree is less than that of the divisor. Alright, so this is question number 1 and 2 for you. If you want, I can okay, let me solve one more question for you so that it becomes a little easy for you people to understand. Alright, let me do second question, second part also children. So first is x square, let me write it here, x square plus 3x plus 1 under root of, this is, or let me do another question where the terms will be missing, because I don't want you to make the mistake which most of the children do. Okay, let me take question number 1 for you. Second question, first part. Again check, are they written in the decreasing power? Yes, they are. So 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Again, I've purposely taken this question. And this is t square minus 3. So now check, we want to cancel this term 2t to the power 4. तो obviously t square को किससे multiply करेंगे 2 into t square के साथ, तो t to the power 2t to the power 4 आ गया. अब 3 2s are 6t to the power 2 आया है, तो वो t to the power 2 के नीचे लिखा जाएगा. So minus 6t square. Now I want you to change the sign. This is minus, this is plus. This interchanges. Now first 3t cube will come down, power in the order of decreasing powers. Now this will be plus 6 minus 2, so you know it will be plus 4 children. Minus 90 minus 12. Again अब इसे cancel करना है, तो plus 3t आएगा, that is again 3t cube. अब minus 3t आया, again ये इसके नीचे आएगा minus 3t. Sorry, 3 3s are 90. I'm sorry. 3 into 3 is 90 minus. So this is minus, this is plus. Again, this gets cancelled, this also gets cancelled. Again, 4t square minus 12. Now I want this 4t square, so it will be multiplied by 4. So 4t square, 4 3s are 12 minus sign के साथ. So this is minus, this is plus. So check, this and this gets cancelled. So now since our remainder is 0, therefore t square minus 3 is the factor of another polynomial, that is 2t to the power 4 plus 3t square t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. So this is how I want you to continue doing first and second question. Let's do question number 3. Again a very simple question. On obtain all the zeros of a biquadratic. See, this is a biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic means degree 4 hai. So there is no need to worry, okay children, if the two zeros are this and this. Now if x is equal to root 5 by 3 and x is equal to minus root 5 by 3 are zeros. So we have already learned अगर ये zeros होते हैं तो x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3 is the factor of the polynomial, the given polynomial. Now if you see very clearly, it is a minus b into a plus b. So can I just simplify and write it as a square minus b square? Everyone knows this identity, right? Which will give you what? X square minus 5 by 3. Root 5 का 5 by 3 का whole square है. So that is this. So if you want to, write it properly, can I say it is 3x square minus 5, of course, into 1 by 3, right? Alright, now I want you to do a log division. So it is 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Let's do the long division. You can do long division by any two factors, it won't matter. Suppose this is how I choose to do the long division. Okay, or you can also choose to make it little easier. I can also choose 3x square plus minus 5 children. Okay, because this 1 by 3 is just a constant, right? It is equal to 0 है ना, तो 1 by 3 उधर जाके 0 ही हो जाएगा, so it won't matter. So 3x square minus 5 equals to 0 will be a factor, right children? So that is how I have taken 3x square minus 5, because I saw here it is 3, तो calculation थोड़ी आसान हो जाएगी. Especially it is better to avoid fraction, because most of the students are not very comfortable with fractions. So now x square, so this will be 3x to the power 4, again minus 5x square, तो उसको x square वाली term के नीचे लिखेंगे, ये minus ये plus, sign change, cancel. 6x³ नीचे पहले, उसके बाद प्लस 3x² माइनस 10x माइनस 5. लेट्स मूव फर्दर. 6x³ कैंसिल करना है, 3x² ऑलरेडी है, तो 3 2s are 6 होता है, सो 2x. सो 6x³ minus 5 2s are 10 minus 10x. So this is minus, this is plus, again this cancels, this cancels. 3x² minus 5. So this is plus 1. 3x² minus 5. This is minus, this is plus. Again cancels, cancels, 0. So check. We have another factor. Therefore remainder 0 आ गया. You can check very well. So x² plus 2x plus 1 is also a factor. एंड क्योंकि वो फैक्टर है तो अगली दो रूट्स आप बहुत आराम से निकाल सकते हो यूजिंग मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग. और इफ़ यू सी a² plus b² plus 2ab is a formula, so you can say it is x plus 1 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. सो x इज इक्वल टू होल स्क्वायर है, तो x plus 1 इक्वल्स टू 0 एक फैक्टर और x plus 1 इक्वल टू 0 दूसरा फैक्टर. सो x इज इक्वल टू -1, x इज इक्वल टू -1. सो अगली जो दो रूट्स हैं वो इक्वल आई है. सो बेसिकली हाउ मेनी रूट्स आर देयर? रूट 5/3 minus root 5/3 is already there, and we got two equal roots, that is -1 and -1. So these are the four roots. So I told you, आपको याद है मैंने बताया था कि डिग्री लास्ट वीडियो में कि डिग्री 3 होती है फर्स्ट वीडियो में, तो डिग्री 3 होती है तो मैक्सिमम 3 रूट्स होती हैं. दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ मेंट बाय मैक्सिमम वर्ड, कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सारी रूट्स अलग आए. माइट बी पॉसिबल कि रूट्स रिपीट भी आ जाए. तो वी कैन एक्चुअली से देर आर 4. We can mathematically say that there are only 3 roots to this biquadratic polynomial. Degree 4 है लेकिन फिर भी 3 ही root आई हैं, right children? So this is how the roots can be lesser than the degree because of the equal. They can be equal. All right, that's question number 3 for you. Let's move to question number 4. Again a very simple question on dividing this polynomial by gx. That means डिविडेंड आपको गिवन है px, दैट इज 3x, सॉरी 3 नहीं, x³ minus 3x² plus x plus 2 and gx हमें नहीं पता. by a polynomial gx, the quotient and the remainder were okay. Quotient is also given to us, x minus 2, and remainder is also given to us, minus 2x plus 4. Very simple. You know division algorithm. So using division algorithm, we can say dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So put the values. This is px equals to gx into qx plus rx. So now we have to find gx. First we will put the value at the end step. px पहले उधर जाके subtraction होगा, minus rx, right? चेक करो, is equal to gx into qx आएगा children, one step at a time, so that you don't make mistake. px minus rx upon qx is equal to gx. Now I want you to put all the values which you have. So px is x³ minus 3x² plus x plus 2 minus rx. I will highlight the mistake which many of the students do in this question, upon qx. दिस इज़ द मिस्टेक. चिल्ड्रन डोंट पुट द ब्रैकेट. तो वो क्या करते हैं, क्योंकि माइनस साइन देखते हैं तो वो जल्दी जल्दी सिर्फ और सिर्फ फर्स्ट टर्म का जो साइन है वही चेंज करते हैं, राइट? सिर्फ इसका साइन प्लस 2x कर देते हैं और इसको प्लस 4 को -4 करना भूल जाते हैं, बिकॉज दे डोंट यूज़ दिस ब्रैकेट कॉन्सेप्ट. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, जब भी माइनस साइन आए in between the polynomials, you always have to put the bracket so that you don't make the mistake which most of the students do. Now you can simplify. First you simplify x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 upon x minus 2. And now you know the long division method, and you can obviously very well find out what is gx. Just do the long division the way I taught you and you will get your answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5 for you. Again ये थोड़ा सा hit and trial पे based है. Use division algorithm. Again division algorithm. Px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Okay. Should satisfy first. This is the division algorithm. First you should always remember what is the division. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. If this question comes in the board exam, it will be mentioned कि कौन सा dividend divisor है. Don't worry. Okay children. So let's talk about the first question. The first question says you have to give me an example such that degree of px is equal to degree of qx. मतलब इसकी डिग्री और इसकी डिग्री सेम होनी चाहिए. So first let's take any px. Okay. So if I say this is 3x square plus 3x plus 3, suppose. Now you know कि जो qx है वो मुझे ऐसा लेना है. q मैंने जानबूझ के कॉमन टर्म लिया है. तुम 3 की जगह 2 भी ले सकते हो. ओके. तो मुझे qx जो है वो ऐसा लेना है जिनकी डिग्री सेम है. तो यानी कि qx जो है वो क्या आएगा, वो x स्क्वायर qx जो है वो x, उसमें x स्क्वायर टर्म आनी मैंडेटरी है. राइट. सो इफ यू टेक qx एज x स्क्वायर, you know how to write your qx as, can I take, okay, let's make it more simpler. तो मैं कॉमन टर्म हटा देती हूँ, qx को ये ले लेती हूँ. अब आपको दिख जाएगा gx क्या आएगा. gx किससे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, ये पूरा का पूरा ऑब्वियसली gx जो है वो 3 आएगा और rx जो है वो क्या आएगा, rx जो है वो क्या आएगा, 0 आएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि जब हम इसे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 3, वो क्या आ जाएगा, दैट विल बी what, 0. Right children, the remainder will be 0 because it is the factor. So this is how you will do the first example. Let's talk about the second example. Now they say that degree of qx should be equal to degree of rx. Okay, so this is r क्या है, रिमाइंडर है. राइट. और q क्या है, कोशेंट है. दोनों की डिग्री जो है वो सेम आनी चाहिए. ओके. सो अगेन इफ आई टेक द एग्जाम्पल, सपोज लेट मी टेक ए सिंपल एग्जाम्पल. अगर मैं px लूँ x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 और मैं gx ले लूँ x प्लस 1, सो आप चेक करिए. दिस इज x प्लस 1 चिल्ड्रन and this is x square plus 3. So check करो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, x से. So क्या आएगा, x into this x square plus x, right, subtract minus x plus 3, right. Again we will divide it once again. Minus 1 minus x, and this is right minus 1. So plus 1, this changes to this, and the remainder is 4. Now you can see जो px है चेक करिए, डिग्री ऑफ क्यू एक्स यानी कि क्वोशेंट की डिग्री क्या है? ओके, डिग्री, all right, let's degree of quotient should be equal to degree of quotient की डिग्री अगर मुझे रिमाइंडर के इक्वल करनी है चिल्ड्रन, सो see you have to see there's a catch, you have to leave your this thing, it should have been x square, right? check here, it should have been x square, तभी डिग्री सेम आएगी। कैसे? अगर यहाँ x square होगा तो तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? सिर्फ +1 आएगा चिल्ड्रन। लेट्स डू द करेक्शन। चेक करिए, x स्क्वायर आया और +1 आया, ये माइनस, तो ये तो कैंसिल आउट ही हो गया। यहाँ पे कितना आ गया? +2। चेक करिए, व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ द क्वोशेंट हियर? सो डिग्री ऑफ द क्वोशेंट इज 0 and what is the degree of remainder here? Again 0. So you have to remember कि जब भी आपको डिग्री ऑफ क्वोशेंट और डिग्री ऑफ रिमाइंडर सेम करनी है तो px और gx की जो डिग्री है वो आप सेम रखिएगा, देन ओनली यू विल गेट योर आंसर। ओके, एंड ये तो क्लियर है, ये तो बहुत आसान है। डिग्री ऑफ आर एक्स 0 है तो इसमें तो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल ही फॉल कर जाएगा कि कोई ऐसा लीजिए जिसमें कि पी एक्स इंटू जी एक्स करके सॉरी क्यू एक्स इंटू जी एक्स करके पी एक्स आ जाए, तो रिमाइंडर विल ऑलवेज बी 0, राइट? यू कैन टेक एनी एग्जाम्पल। अगर मैं नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल लेना चाहूँ तो सपोज करो मैंने पी एक्स को एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3 लिया है, ये 3 नहीं, या 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 6 ले लेते हैं इसे, राइट? पी एक्स अगर ये है तो अगर मेरा जी एक्स जो है वो इसका यानी कि एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस सिर्फ 2 कॉमन लेंगे तो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3 आएगा। चेक करो, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3 आएगा, तो ऑब्वियसली अंडरस्टूड है जो क्यू एक्स है वो क्या आएगा? वो 2 आ जाएगा, क्योंकि 2 ज़ा एक्स, 2 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर इज 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 3 ज़ा 6 है, तो आर एक्स जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली 0 आ जाएगा। तो समझ आ गया, जब आपको डिग्री आर एक्स की 0 लेनी है तो पी एक्स और जी एक्स जो है वो एक दूसरे के फैक्टर्स लीजिएगा। फैक्टर्स मीन्स कोई कॉमन ले लीजिएगा, कुछ भी, एनीथिंग यू कैन टेक कॉमन। एंड हियर ऑल्सो आई हैव मेड यू अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसे आपको डिग्री ऑफ क्यू एक्स एंड आर एक्स सेम करनी है। क्वोशेंट की डिग्री और रिमाइंडर की डिग्री सेम करने के लिए आप डिग्री ऑफ पी एक्स एंड जी एक्स सेम ले लीजिएगा, देन ऑब्वियसली जो डिग्री है वो सेम आएगी। In this type of a question when there are only two this thing, a constant term and a polynomial. All right, so this is how I want you to do question number 5. It can have many examples, you can work it out. Okay children, if you still have any doubt in the third exercise, kindly let me know. All right children, in the comment below. Thank you.